Hi everyone, it's Louis from Smart Home Sounds, a home audio visual retailer and leading Sonos dealer in the UK. I hope you're all doing well, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Sonos speakers. If you haven't heard of us before, we make videos like this to help you guys out, and we've also got plenty of other content on our YouTube channel, like getting the most out of your Sonos system, buying guides, reviews, and much more in the world of audio. So if that sounds like it could interest you, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Now, considering you're watching this video, you're most likely a fan of Sonos already and have at least one speaker. If you don't, this video might be a little bit boring for you, but for Sonos lovers, it's worth noting that we offer an extended 6-year warranty on all Sonos speakers, a 30-day hassle-free returns period, and free next-day delivery, so feel free to check us out. So factory resetting your Sonos speaker will reset your speaker to factory settings, and the Sonos app will think it's a new speaker out of the box. Now, just as a disclaimer, make sure you only factory reset if there's no other option, because factory resetting will erase all data from the speakers, including items you've saved to My Sonos and Sonos playlists. If you've got multiple Sonos speakers, you'll need to follow these steps on each one. The only times I'd recommend doing a factory reset is if you are selling your speakers privately and they're being sent to a new owner, or perhaps you've read how to put Sonos speakers on a new Wi-Fi network and want a quicker and easier method, or maybe Sonos has recommended trying a factory reset because you're having problems with your Sonos system. So if any of these sound right for you, then this video should help you out. I'll now show you how to factory reset a Sonos speaker, and if you've got a Sonos Move, I'll show you how to do that in just a minute, as that is a slightly different procedure. Now, there are slightly different ways to factory reset your speaker depending on the model that you have. First, you need to locate one of the following. Modern products will use an infinity symbol, whereas older products will use either the play, pause and volume up or mute and volume up buttons. And finally, if you're resetting a Sonos Move, the steps are different as it's a battery powered speaker, so we'll come on to that after. That being said, no matter what speaker you're resetting, you firstly need to completely shut down the Sonos app like so. And you need to turn your speaker off at the mains for at least 10 seconds and leave the power off. So to start with, we're going to take a look at factory resetting a modern Sonos product with an infinity symbol. To begin, what you'll need to do is locate the infinity button on the speaker. Hold this button down with your finger, and then with your other hand, reconnect the mains power. It's very important this button is held down before you reconnect the power, otherwise it won't reset properly. Keep your finger held down on the button until the LED light starts to flash amber and white. When it does, you can release your finger, and you'll then need to wait until it starts flashing green before it can be set up in the Sonos app. Once it's flashing green, it's ready to be set up as a new product. Moving on to any older products with the buttons on the top like this, you need to follow the same steps as with the modern product, but holding down either the play, pause and volume up button or the mute and volume up, depending on your model. Again, don't release these buttons until the LED lights flash amber. Similar to the more modern Sonos speaker, after a couple of seconds, the light will then turn green and it is ready to be set up as a new product. And finally, to factory reset a Sonos Move, first take the unit off the charging base and then turn off the unit completely by holding down the power button on the back of the unit for at least 5 seconds, and you should hear a chime. Then, like before, hold the join button on the back of the unit and then put the speaker back on the charging base, obviously making sure the charging base is still connected to mains power. Keep your finger held down on the join button until the light starts to flash amber and white, and you can release your finger. Then it should be flashing green within a few seconds, and it's ready to add back into the Sonos app. So that's how you factory reset a Sonos speaker, but if you're still having issues and you're not able to set it up for whatever reason, first make sure your Sonos app is up to date and the phone or tablet you are using is up to date. If you're still having issues, it would be worth sending Sonos a diagnostic number so they can remote into your system and see what the issue is, as it could be caused by all manner of things. To do this, open the Sonos app and tap Settings, head to Support, or this will be Help and Tips if you're on the S1 controller, and then Submit Diagnostics. This will generate a unique number that Sonos can use to identify your system, and then you'll need to contact Sonos directly and explain the issue you're having to them, either over the phone, by email, or on social media. I'll pop a link to their contact page below should you need it. If you need any more tech support and you bought your Sonos speaker from ourselves, we do offer free tech support for all of our customers, so get in touch for more help. If you didn't buy from us, then we'd recommend getting in touch with your retailer or trying the Sonos diagnostics. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, it'd be great if you could leave a like and subscribe for more content. Remember, if you're a fan of Sonos and you ever want to expand your system and you're based in the UK, check out our website, as we are a Sonos specialist and we do offer an extended 6-year Sonos warranty, 30-day returns period, free delivery and a loyalty scheme with some great perks. Thank you guys all very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.